Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto this channel, man. I hope that everyone is good, man. I'm also good, hey? I'm also good. Yeah, please check out this video and then we'll talk. Kancane, I do not even know ukuthi sizokhuluma sithini ngane because I'm just speechless. Speechless, through. Check out this video.
We went to a Castle Light gig that we were doing in Plettenberg Bay, and Waris was so afraid of missing his flight in the morning, so he insisted that we stay in the same room so that he wouldn't miss his flight. And I was like, friend, no. Then he was like, ew, man, don't think like that. You're my son. Then I was just like, Waris, that's weird. Then he was like, don't worry, friend. We're going to put the pillows. We're going to do everything. And I was just like, Waris, he's like, no, man, I just need a cuddle. I just need a cuddle. And the thing is, I was worried about what people would think of me because they're going to think, but no, that's not what's happening. We're literally brother and sister. And we did sleep and cuddle, and the pillows were there. And we cuddled, and he said, thank you, my friend. I really appreciate this. I got with them. And I woke him up for sure in the morning, and he didn't miss his flight. And those are just one of the many things that made Wara special. He didn't care what people thought. He didn't care, who would dislike him, who would like him because of his opinion.
Hey, hayi kuphela. Phela adlali ke fanami. Uphele. Akadlali ugele. Ukuthi ebesukwe yini? Yazi bafethu mani ngazi nizothini. Hlalani phansi. Maungazi uzothini? Hlala. Excuse me, sit down if you do not know what are you going to say. Ngoba next thing la nizogibela lapha emncwabeni yethu. Nikhiphe amahlazo wethu. Nikhohle ukuthi thina we have people who look up to us. We have wives, we have husbands, we have kids, we have families, mothers, brothers, sisters who do not even see us. Kule light nini nisibona ngayo. Uthi yeah. Ophela thusi sheme wabona ukuthi i-beauty bese kuphela nje ku-beauty. I-beauty kuphela ku-beauty ukuthi kuzodlula kugama nxelela ngale ukuthi kube khona nama-brains if ingqondo ikhona bayibypassile ayisebenzi ayishayi izona mara wenzani yini into emenza ukuthi acabanga ukuthi kupha appropriate nje ukuthi akhulume into eyenza ama-cuddles nje emncwabeni umndeni uzokhala la wenza sitshela ngama-cuddles ukuthi wena ubutshontshana noWaras ayamancane wena guys nina ubeach beyanimora beyanimora man ngisho nokuzibamba allegedly ulolu Waras is married and unomfazi uphela uzoza azokhuluma nodoti lo. Mina ngifune umuntu emncwabeni wami. Angifune umuntu owazi amahlazo wami. Noma ngingasitshontsha na because nina nenzani? Hayi. Ukuphethe nje must go outside and touch some grass. Bafethu nina nenzani? U-emptying up. Phela usabona ukuthi ngetrend u-empty yet. Nami ngifuna ukuthi angifeatureish. Pale tooth. I'm talking about pale tooth. Ayikho lento. Ayikho. Hayi ningimangazile. What a way to wrap up the year. Usho lamahlazo ukhuluma lamahlazo eduze wengane yakhe yentombaza. Nina ninjani? How are you? Hi girl. Yeah, tell me what you think about this video down below and what are your thoughts about this whole Pearl Thusi thing?